things they won't last forever. But I know that you've been scarred. There's nothing we can't